finally made it into Nevada. There's a little bit of Reno. Going on to I-80. We are at the Middle Gate station, and this is about 40 or so minutes east of Fallon, Nevada, and it is on Highway 50, which is known as the
America's Loneliest Highway.
America's Loneliest Highway. There's bullet holes in that car. So, just wanted to kind of show you around the Middle Gate station here. There is free dry camping here, which I'll talk about a little bit more in one of our other videos. But this is great because we were kind of stuck with no place to stay. Because my plans did not go as planned. Imagine that. Those are the old gas pumps right there. There's a dude smoking on the porch. But they have a motel, they have a bar, they have a restaurant, I'm assuming probably in the bar. And then you can get gas. And what is it they say? This is the last stop for gas.
238 miles.
238 miles or something like that. Get all the bugs on the windshield in this, but who knew Nevada had views? Okay, so everybody knows how I love the corky stuff. This is the shoe tree, which is actually more like trees. Oh, one of the branches must have fallen. There's some down in there. Either that or somebody really missed. Look at that, those shoes.
See, New Balance, Nike. Wow.
Gosh, those blue ones almost look like new shoes.
Oh, yeah.
They are way up there. Somebody either threw really well or climbed. There's no way they could have climbed out on that limb. They had to have thrown that one up there.
Under Armour.
Some hiking boots.
So if anybody needs any shoes,
Yeah. Plenty of shoes to choose from.
One-stop shop right here.
Looks like all shapes and sizes. There's some swim shoes and some more boots and little kid rain boots. And this is right on Highway 50. So if you're outside, 2 miles from the Middle Gate station. So about 40 minutes east of Fallon. There's some down in there too. I think some of the limbs have fallen.
Probably too much weight.
Yeah. Well, then some of those look dead. So. Just getting a little bit of a shot of what do you call this? America's like patches from like motorcycle, you know, groups and probably car groups and stuff. And she's got patches everywhere, dollar bills all over the place, and some of them have been there so long that they have completely discolored and almost look like they're deteriorating. So they've been there for a long time. It was a pretty neat little spot. And you can get, I grabbed a bottle of hot sauce. They got special Middle Gate Station hot sauces of different flavors. And they have t-shirts and hoodies and hats and a little tiny grocery section that you can, you know, grab some Tylenol or whatever, sodas or something if you need it. And you can get gas at those old gas pumps. They do work. We got fuel there. This is the little town of Austin, Nevada. Like some little old buildings. They're doing road construction. That's a heck of a bump right there. It all on both sides. Look at those old buildings. 1864 on that one. Neat old church up there on the hill. It was on the outskirts of the town there, so I wanted to catch that. That was the old Gridley store. I don't really know anything about it, but it's supposed to be like a national landmark or something now. I'm gonna walk up this little trail and see if we can see some petroglyphs. This is Hickson Recreation Area. Just off of 50. It'd be kind of hard to see some of those. Oh, there's some on the back side of that rock.
Oh, yeah.
Are you supposed to go up in there?
I don't know. I mean, obviously people have been, but I don't know.
I think it's one of them weird, creepy, black, crickety, buggy things. Ugh. Those are awful looking. I don't know what they are. They're freaky. I'm gonna walk right here. You can see those. I think you can see those. What a pretty view from up here. That is one crazy view. So I'm guessing that is some right there. A lot of this looks like it's just been eroded away so much that you can't really tell. Oh, and there's some, I would say. Little town of Eureka here on Highway 50. It's got some pretty old buildings and stuff in it. I'm hoping most of it's on the main drag here. what did I say, 1860s and 1880s or something like that. That's their new fire department. I saw that on the... There's an old one. There's an old building there. Oh. There's the old motel. Oh yeah, they definitely have some old buildings. Wow, this is a neat little town. Cool. There's the old Opera House and the old Jackson House Hotel and the old courthouse. I don't know if I got much of that one. It's hard to get it when it's on both sides. And I guess that was pretty much it. This is the town of Ely. Obviously really old